Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do Google Meet on phone. So in case you don't have your laptop on you and you need to attend a meeting, you can do that in your mobile phone by installing the Google Meet apps first and then open the Google Meet. So if you guys have a code or a meeting code with you, you can just click on join with a code and then enter the meeting code and then click on join. But if you are the one that is hosting the meeting, you can just click on new meeting and then click on start an instant meeting. Okay, so here is the meeting, and you can just click on share invite to start inviting the audience, or you can just copy the meeting code and share it to your audience in the meeting. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can do Google Meet on phone. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.